Why does an automatic transmission change gears without you feeling it? No clutch pedal. No grinding. Just smooth. So what's the hidden trick? Here's the quick answer. An automatic shift is a controlled handoff. One clutch lets go while another clutch grabs, overlapping just enough that power never fully drops. And instead of your foot controlling it, pressurized transmission fluid does. To understand why that feels so smooth, you have to know what an automatic is really doing. Gears are a trade. Low gear gives you more torque to get moving. High gear gives you more speed once you're rolling. An automatic is constantly choosing the best trade, pulling away from a stop, climbing a hill, or cruising on a flat road. But inside most traditional automatics, you don't have sliding gears like a manual. You have planetary gear sets, a sun gear in the center, planet gears that spin around it, and a ring gear on the outside. The magic is that you can get different gear ratios by changing which part is held still and which part is driven. So how do you hold parts of the gearset? With clutch packs and sometimes bands. A clutch pack is a stack of friction plates. When it squeezes, it locks a component to another component. When it releases, that component can spin freely. Shifting is basically, lock this, release that. Here's a concrete example. In first gear, the transmission might hold one member of the planetary set still while the engine drives another. That forces the planets to walk around and multiply torque. To shift into second, it doesn't slide a gear into place. It simply changes what's held. One clutch releases and another clutch applies, creating a new constraint, and that new constraint becomes a new ratio. Same gears. Different rules. Now the big question, who squeezes those clutch packs? Hydraulics. The engine spins a pump that creates oil pressure. That pressure runs through the valve body, a maze of passages that routes fluid to the right clutch at the right time. Old automatics did this mainly with mechanical valves and springs. Modern ones use a computer, the TCU, controlling solenoids that open and close fluid paths with high precision. And here's the real reason you don't feel the shift: pressure control. If a clutch grabs instantly, you get a jolt, like dumping a clutch pedal. So the TCU ramps the pressure in a controlled way. It doesn't slam the clutch on. It feeds pressure progressively, so the clutch squeezes smoothly instead of snapping. During an actual shift, one clutch is releasing while another is applying. That overlap is tuned like a balancing act. Too little overlap and you feel a pause, like the car hesitated. Too much overlap and both clutches partially hold at the same time, which wastes energy as heat and can feel mushy. Smooth shifting is the art of getting that overlap just right, every single time. There's also another part doing a lot of smoothing, the torque converter. It's a fluid coupling between the engine and the transmission. Instead of a hard mechanical link, torque passes through moving fluid. That fluid can slip slightly, which cushions sudden changes. It's like a built-in shock absorber for power delivery, and it's a huge reason traditional automatics feel buttery. But cruising with constant slip wastes fuel. So many automatics use a lock-up clutch inside the torque converter. Once you're steady, that clutch engages and reduces slip, making the connection much more direct. That's why you'll often see the RPM drop on the highway even when you didn't feel a gear change. Modern transmissions also adapt over time. As clutches wear, temperatures change, and fluid ages, the TCU adjusts pressure and timing to keep shifts smooth. Same hardware, but the software keeps retuning the handoff. So if you suddenly start feeling harsh shifts, it usually means the balance is broken. Low or degraded fluid, sticky solenoids, worn clutch material, or even bad engine mounts that turn a normal shift into a thump. Smooth shifts aren't magic. They're engineered and maintained. So now you know the trick. An automatic doesn't secretly slide gears. It routes fluid pressure through a valve body to overlapping clutches that control planetary gear sets, while the torque converter cushions the handoff. That's how it shifts without you feeling it. Now I'm curious, which feels smoother to you, a traditional automatic, a CVT, or a dual clutch? And do you want the next video to explain CVTs, the gearbox with no gears?